Hey there everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I have some Born Pretty products and I'm going to start with this non-stick hand extension gel. This is a product that you can mold with your hands. It's more solid and non-sticky. It can be used with nail forms. It can be used to create 3D nail art. As well, you can mix it with sequins and glitters, and that gives me an idea for my next video. As well, I have used it in the past to glue nail tips. And as you can see, it has a very good consistency. Next, I have a Jelly Nude gel polish. This is a 7 ml bottle and it's actually really cute. Look at this color, guys. It looks more like a fall color and it's semi-transparent when it's applied. Next, I have a nail tips gel. This is used to apply full cover nail tips. The consistency of this product is more like a thicker gel. And as you can see in this picture, you have an option to buy 2 to 4 pieces. There is a mini UV lamp, nail tip cutter, full cover nail tips, and this gel that you can see here. This is very convenient because you have the option to buy these items as well separately. Next, I have one of their gel polishes, and as you can see, this is a very beautiful color, and I'm gonna be using this one in today's video. And the last item for today is a cat magnetic gel polish. I was very happy to see this one because I have never tried this type of gel polish. Look at this color, guys, it's so beautiful. I love red so much. And for this gel polish, I had to purchase a separate tool. These are the nails that I'm gonna be creating today, and I'm going to continue onto the gel polish application, and you will see how I'm gonna be using the cat eye magnetic gel polish. I'm not an expert on using this gel polish to create different designs, but I will do my best. I wanted to give you a closer look. Depending on how you move this magnet tool, you can get different designs. Today I'm gonna do just like a diagonal line in the middle of the nail. I think it's the only one that I can do right now. I will continue to practice and hopefully in the future I can create more complicated designs. At this point, I like to file all the edges of the nails just to give it a sharper look and clean any excess gel that might have fall to the side. This is the reveal. My friend fell in love with the red cat eye gel polish, so I painted a pinky as well in red, and it actually looks really nice. But I'm gonna give her as well the pink that I did already, because in that way she will have a choice to change the whole look of the set, and I think it looks very cute both ways. Thank you so much for being here and watching my video, and I'll see you on the next one.